Hi, Mr. Ingram here with our last video introduction for PSY 467. This is for Module 8, Week 8, and this week we're going to be looking at positive psychology and narrative therapy, which are actually two more recent therapies. And a lot of times what happens with these two therapies is that they are not standalone therapies, but often are incorporated into other therapies that are that someone might develop or someone might use. So hopefully you'll find these things to be really interesting because, like I said, they're much more current and in fact they're ongoing in their development. The other thing I wanted to mention is that your big final assignment is due this week, and we want to make sure that we get all the aspects of that. So first of all, there is going to be the poster that you are going to make, and it's going to be necessary to get a still picture of that so that you can post it so that I can look at it more in detail. Then there's going to be the video presentation, which you can download to YouTube and then put on the link on the web page for this. And that's going to be just an 8 to 10 minute explanation of what your theory was developed, how you did it, sort of a compare and contrast, what things you took from each of the theorists, what things you kind of rejected. And so it's just an ability to kind of explain what you're doing. And with reference to the poster. So make sure that you do that. Otherwise, hopefully this has been a good course for you, and we want you to make sure that you get all the assignments in and so on. Oh, I forgot there was one more thing, and that is to make sure that you critique the other presenters, and there's a format for doing that. I'll also put in the rubric of where the points are going to go in terms of both the presentation and the poster. So anyway, hopefully if you have any questions, obviously you can give me a shout, and we will wrap it up this week. So take care.